Simple
So
tax
let's do a simple tax
calculation.
calculation. For someone, let's say that is earning about 100,000 naira a month. 100,000 naira a month in a year will be 1.2, which will be the income that we are supposed to calculate on. So from that 1.2, you first remove the 800,000 naira. That 800,000 naira is not taxable. So you'll be left with 400,000 naira. Now, is that 400,000 naira that we'll play around with? So let's calculate some deductibles on the 400,000 naira. You can deduct rents, 20% of your rent. So let's say you are paying 500k for your rent. 20% of 500k is 100,000 naira. So now, from that 400, you still remove 100,000 naira. You are left with 300,000 naira. Now, let's say you are also paying pension throughout the year. Let's say it's sum up to about 120. You still remove that 120 from 300. You'll be left with what? 180. Then you have like NHIS for you and your family and all that. That NHIS costs you 50k a month, for example. So you remove the 50k. You are left with 130. Now, that 130 is what the tax will be calculated on. So for someone within that range of 1.2, it's 15%. So is that 15% that will remove from 130? Not from the whole sum of 1.2. No, you remove it from 130. Now 15% of 130 is 19.5. So 19.5 is the tax for someone like that. Now, if you divide 19.5 by 12, you have about 1625. That's like less than 1.7. Let's approximate it to 1,007. So for someone earning in that range with all those deductibles, will be paying 1,700 in a month as tax. It's reasonable. It's reasonable. In fact, if that person have more deductibles, might not even pay tax at all. That person will just file tax and move on.